Okay, hello again people, here we go. I've got a sink here that is blocked. And there. Right, what I'm going to show you. Let's turn some water on. It's not completely blocked, but it's just running out slow. See how it fill up? See all that kind of stuff there? Those are the stuff you don't really want to go down your sink. That's what block it up. Alright, you can see how slow it's going. I'm going to show you just underneath the sink we have a bucket. That's to catch the water. This bit of pipe is called your U-bend. Right, so you need to find your sink, which is just there. That's where your water come out. And it comes down here, around here, back there, and over there. So possibility is stuff caught up in there. Here we have our little of a dispenser thing. I don't even know what it's called. So you need to identify which is which before you start unscrewing. But we're pretty sure it's this one. So what we're going to do, check all our water is gone. So we're going to screw off our pipe here. So we just unscrew it. It's kind of tight. Let's try another one. Unscrew here. Yeah? You shouldn't really need to unscrew that though, but I just done that because I'm a muppet. Right, what you want is here. This is where it will settle. So let's try again. Oh, this is awkward, man. See, keep trying. There we go. Unscrew that. See the water coming out there now? Just let it drain out. Right, for the next bit I'm going to need two hands, but I'm going to show you what happens in a minute. I've got to unscrew there, and that's going to fall, so I don't want it to fall, do I? And I can't catch it with bare hands. So back in a sec. Okay, I've taken that bit down, only because it was getting in the way. So that was attached to there. Now, when you're taking this bit off, hold on to the top in case it decides it wants to move. It probably will. And then unscrew there. Alright, this is what we've got in our bucket here. And as you can see, down inside there, it's completely blocked. So we're going to unblock that, clean it out, put it back up, and it does smell, for those who are curious. Right, so let's crack on. Okay, here we go. There's the gunk come out of our pipe. There's our pipe. Couple of things you have noticed. This sealer around the pipe tell me that whoever fitted it back, it must have been leaking or dripping, or leaking, dripping, same thing. Yeah, so that's why they sealed it with that. What this dangling on there now is the actual seal. Can you see that black rubber there? That is your actual seal. So probably what has happened is when this was fitted, the seal, can you see a black seal around there? Either wasn't fitted properly or there's two seals in it. I haven't checked it properly yet because I'm still in the middle of trying to get rid of this crud. Yeah? So I'm going to check it, make sure the seal sits in properly before fitting it back. See you again. Okay, can you turn the TV down a little bit for me, please? Alright, there you are. We've fitted all our bits and pieces back up. What you do, make sure, when you're fitting up everything, connect all your pipes up before tightening any of them. And then make sure everything is proper tight. So what we're going to do now, we're going to turn some water on. And checking for leaks. So far, everything looks alright. So what we're going to do, we're going to put the plug in so it builds up a bit of pressure and then pull the plug out. But you can see the difference in our water flow, flowing like a stream. So if we plunk that in there, and just let it build up some water in there so that it goes. Get me? Right, I'm gonna pull our plug out now, but let me get underneath here first. And there we go, everything's bone dry. If it leaks, yep, I'm happy with that. See you later, people. Like my new camera? Film good? Okay, later. How's that? You happy with that, Miss P, as you witnessed it?